In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram couldn't share post to story easily. So if you want to fix this problem, all what you have to do is very simple and easy. So first thing, go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to apps, go to Instagram app right here, click on force stop, and then go down to the storage, click on this option and this option right here, go back, click on power usage details, click here on force stop again, go back, and that's it. Now go to Play Store, go to the search bar here in the top, search for Instagram, and then go here and click on update. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.